Trash Masher Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Great!
Your destination is Trash Masher Island. Trash Masher Island is where all the broken cogs, gears, and parts go to be recycled.
Recycled? What does that mean?
It means turning old junk into new stuff.
The Mechana Beaver uses his giant tail to mash all sorts of broken parts into brand new cogs and gears.
A recycling Mechana Beaver? Cool!
What's so great about recycling?
Oh, recycling is definitely great, Sasquatch. But there's a problem. None of the trash is getting recycled. Your mission is to find out what the problem is and fix it before the island fills up with junk. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go! Woo!
Yes!
Here we are, Trash Masher Island.
Wow! Look at the trash bin train.
What's in these things anyway?
Sasquatch, be careful. Those trash bins are filled with junk.
Careful, Komodo. These trash bins are filled with junk.
Yes, I know.
Junk that's going to be recycled.
It's so exciting. It starts out as useless junk, but then it gets turned into something shiny and new.
And useful.
Seems like a lot of trouble to me. Why not just throw it away and buy new stuff?
Throw it where? These bins are already so full, they're overflowing.
And if we don't figure out why the recycling has stopped, the whole island will be filled with junk.
First, we need to find the Mechana Beaver.
I can't see the beaver anywhere. I wish I was taller.
I am taller, and I can't see either. If only I could jump.
Or fly.
Exactly what I was thinking, Komodo. I'll rise to this task. Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Unicorn is the coolest!
Woohoo!
There he is! I see the giant beaver. Follow the tracks that way.
Let's go, team!
I wonder why the trash bins aren't moving on the track.
Look, the track is broken.
Ah!
No wonder the beaver isn't recycling. The trash bin train can't deliver the broken parts to him.
It'll take someone super strong to bend these tracks back into shape.
Strong? That sounds like my kind of challenge. Rex! Mechana strong!
Strong with that titanium Tyrannosaurus!
Uh-oh.
Sorry, gang. I guess I was a little too strong.
Now what do? We certainly can't deliver all this junk to the beaver if the track is broken.
Hey! I think I have an idea! Sasquatch, can you grab that broken ladder from the trash?
But it's trash.
I know, but what seems like trash to one person...
Is a piece of track to someone else. Good Good thinking, Mouse. We'll use the ladder to fix our track.
That's what I call recycling.
Recycling is cool.
I get it. Taking something old and using it in a new way. That is cool.
Okay, everyone. Now let's get this trash bin train rolling. Push!
Why walk when you can ride?
Careful, Sasquatch.
Whoa!
Hold on. Tight.
Next time, I think I better hold on tight.
This is the end of the line, which means that is the McCanna Beaver.
It looks like the trash bins tipped their junk into that funnel.
Which pours the pieces into that mold.
Island Owl said that the beaver pounds out new parts with his giant tail.
I like the pounding part.
But his tail is missing.
Maybe that's why he isn't recycling.
I think I found the problem. Look, here's his tail.
It's broken. With all that trash mashing, I guess it just wore out.
Oh, I wish there was something we could do to help.
Wait a minute. Aren't we animal mechanicals? Animal mechanicals can do anything!
I know. What if we use bits and pieces from the trash bins to build the beaver a new tail?
You mean recycle old junk into something new?
That's exactly what I mean. Come on, everyone. Start looking for pieces we can use to build a new beaver tail. Let's see what we've got.
It'll make a perfect tail.
Now we just need to attach all the pieces together. But how?
We need some kind of tool.
If you don't mind, I think I'm the animal mechanical for this job. Komodo! McCanna Gizmo! Whoa! Nope. I wondered where that was. One rough and rugged riveter to the rescue.
Handy dandy tool time.
Go, Komodo!
You did it, Komodo! The McCanna Beaver has a new recycle tail!
All right, everyone. If we work together, we can give the beaver his new tail. 1, 2, 3, lift!
A perfect job! Now we just have to see if it works.
Good news! It works!
I noticed.
Yay!
The McCanna Beaver's recycling again!
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Oh!
What are those?
These are shiny new McCanna medals.
Well, what do you know? The beaver made us each a special recycled medal.
Thanks!
Wow! That looks like the most fun ever! McCanna, can we stay and help the beaver pound and mash and recycle all this trash?
We Animal Mechanical can!
It's pounding time!
McCanna Jukebox Island.
Animal Mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Wow!
Your destination is Jukebox Island, where the island beboppers love to dance.
Dancing? I love dancing too!
But for some reason, the beboppers have stopped dancing, and now they're very sad.
Poor little beboppers.
Your mission is to find out why the beboppers have stopped dancing and to get them dancing again. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Jukebox Island.
And look! The beboppers are just standing around. They're not dancing even a little.
I bet I know the problem. The beboppers just need to learn some good dance moves. Watch closely, little beboppers. Sasquatch, the mighty dancer, will show you some fancy dancy dance moves. See? You might want to skip that last move.
Maybe you dance better with music, Sasquatch.
Did you say music, Mouse?
Yes.
That's it. There's no music. Beboppers will only dance if there's music.
No problem. The mighty Sasquatch will now make music. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Sasquatch, I don't think the beboppers like that music.
Huh?
We need to find some other kind of music.
But where are we going to find something around here to make music?
What about that jukebox? Don't jukeboxes make music?
Jukeboxes do indeed make music, Mouse. You simply push a button and...
Okay, jukebox, play some tunes. Huh? No music? Maybe if I push the buttons harder. It's pounding time!
No, Sasquatch, it's not a good idea to pound jukebox buttons.
It's not a good idea to pound jukebox buttons.
I know.
Hey, team, look at this.
What are those holes for?
Aha! Those holes are where music discs are supposed to be.
So that's why the jukebox isn't playing music. There are no music discs in it.
But where could they be?
Beboppers, do you know where the music discs are? Too bad. But at least we know what we're looking for. 3 missing music discs. Let's go.
Music discs.
Come out, wherever you are.
Did you hear that?
I know that laugh. It could only belong to one mechanic creature. A jive jumper!
That jive jumper is holding something blue.
And round. It must be one of the missing music discs.
Great! Hey, Mr. Jive Jumper, can I have that music disc, please? Hey!
Catch that disc!
Another jive jumper, and he's got another music disc.
Oh dear, jive jumpers love to play games. This might be difficult.
The jive jumpers throw the discs too fast. We can't catch them.
Too fast? Nothing's too fast for me. I'm super fast. Mouse. McKenna fast.
Go, Mouse, go!
Gotcha.
Hooray!
work, Mouse. Now, let's put these discs back into the jukebox.
There are the holes for the music discs. 1, 2, 3.
And here are the music discs. 1, 2.
No third disc? Huh. Perhaps the jukebox will work with 2 discs.
It still isn't working.
We need all 3 music discs to make the jukebox play.
Where could that last disc be?
Jive Jumpers!
Look! The third disc is on top of the tree. Even the Jive Jumpers can't reach it.
Oh well, I guess the beboppers will have to learn to dance without music. Come on, little guys, dance with me.
Sasquatch, maybe someone could stretch way up high. Maybe even stretch while they're dancing?
Good point. Stretching loosens the muscles. Stretch while you dance, beboppers.
Sasquatch, I think Komodo means someone could stretch to reach the disc in the tree.
Oh, that kind of stretch. Who could do that? Hey, wait a minute. I can stretch like that. Sasquatch! Makana stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Almost got it. Gotcha, music disc.
The Jive Jumpers look sad. They want to play with the music discs.
But these discs are for playing music, not playing games.
Aw, maybe a flower will make you guys feel better. Oops, I broke it. Huh?
Look! The flower petal flies just like a music disc.
Great work, Sasquatch. The Jive Jumpers are having fun.
Now that the Jive Jumpers are happy, it's time to get the beboppers happy too.
Yep, let's go get that jukebox playing music again.
There! All 3 music discs are now in place.
Oh no! The cover won't stay closed.
The bolt that holds it shut is very loose. We need to tighten it.
But how?
This is a job for Komodo! Makana Gizmo! Whoa! Nope. Woo, how embarrassing. Aha! This ought to do the trick. One mighty Makana wrench to the rescue!
Komodo did it!
Oh boy, dance time!
Hit it, big guy!
It worked! The beboppers are dancing again!
Hooray! Mission accomplished. Good job, team. Sasquatch, what are you doing?
This time, the beboppers are giving me dancing lessons. Come on, you guys. Try it. It's fun.
What do you say, team? Makana, can we all learn the beboppers dance?
We animal mechanical can!
Hop out Panda Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Ooh,
Congrats!
Yeah.
Your destination is Pop-Out Panda Island.
Pop-out pandas are cute.
And shy.
That's right. They're also very hungry. The pandas have eaten all of the bamboo at the bottom of Slipslide Mountain. And now they need your help to get up the mountain where more bamboo grows.
But why do they need our help?
Because Slipslide Mountain is very slippery, and with their big, boxy bodies, the pandas are very slidey.
Slippery and slidey. This is going to be fun!
Your mission is to help the pandas up Slipslide Mountain. But remember, they're very shy. You have to be quiet and gentle. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Pop-Out Panda Island.
Look, the pandas. They're trying to climb up the mountain all by themselves.
That's okay, pandas. You tried really hard.
This isn't so bad. On second thought, Slipslide Mountain is definitely too slippery for those pandas to climb up on their own.
Animal Mechanicals, we'll just have to give them a hand.
A hand, huh? I've got 2 of them. Don't worry, pandas. The mighty Sasquatch will help you. Yeah!
Sasquatch, remember what Island Owl said. Be quiet and gentle. Pop-out pandas are extremely shy.
You might find this interesting. Pop-out pandas are extremely shy.
Oh no! The pandas are hiding and won't come out.
Now we'll never be able to move them, even a little bit.
Animal Mechanicals never say never. Instead of walking them up the mountain, maybe we could push them up.
Good thinking.
They're so heavy.
In my opinion, it will take a powerful pusher to get 3 pandas up that slick slope.
A powerful pusher? I'm the Animal Mechanical for this job. Rex! McKenna Strong!
Strong with the titanium Tyrannosaurus.
Go, Rex, go!
I slipped. It's not easy, but I can do this.
Rex is so great!
Yeah! I have a question. How are we going to get up the mountain?
Rex, wait! Oh, too late.
It's never too late if we work together. Unicorn! McKenna Fly! Sasquatch, you hold on to my tail. And everyone else?
Hold on to me.
And me.
1, 2.
Whoa! Here we go!
Goodness me! Impressive, Unicorn!
the top of Slip Slide Mountain.
And here we are, too! We made it, everybody!
Look! There's a new bamboo under the snow cap.
Yahoo! 3 cheers for Rex and Unicorn.
Sasquatch.
Hip, hip, hooray!
The snow-capped mountain.
Hip, hip, hooray!
It would be wise to be
Hip, hip.
less loud.
Hooray! Hey, buddy, next time you might want to be less loud.
Oh, no! Now the bamboo is buried!
We need to remove the snow so that the pandas can eat the bamboo.
I could do the digging, but we need a small shovel. My shovel is so big, it would ruin the bamboo.
A small shovel, huh? I think I know where we can find one of those. Hi-yo! Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa! No! No! Whoops! My undies! One super sturdy small snow shovel to the rescue!
Handy dandy tool time!
Sasquatch, are you okay, buddy?
First I scared the pandas, then I buried the bamboo under the snow. I'm not so good at being quiet and gentle.
It's okay, Sasquatch. You were only trying to help. You'll have your chance.
Ta-da! There! Finished!
Yay!
Go on, pandas. Go get some bamboo.
The pandas are still scared and shy.
Isn't there anything we can do to get them to eat?
I know. The mighty Sasquatch has a quiet idea.
Where's he going?
Come on, little pandas. Nice bamboo. Here you go.
Look! They're coming out!
The mighty quiet Sasquatch to the rescue.
It's kind of fun being quiet and gentle. Ow! I mean, ow.
Well, we got the pandas up Slip Slide Mountain.
And they're eating again.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Does that mean it would be okay to do something loud?
The pandas do seem happy and full. I think it would be okay to be loud again. What did you have in mind, Sasquatch?
All right!
Whoa! Whoa!
Time for some loud, slippery, sliding fun! Wahoo!
Mechana, can we have some loud, slippery, slidey fun, too? We Animal Mechanical can!
Chugboat Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Right!
Your destination is Chugboat Island.
I love to ride on a chugboat.
Unfortunately, this island is very foggy, and the chugboats are all lost on the water.
That's terrible.
The island lighthouse has stopped working. That's why the tugboats don't know which way to go. They need the lighthouse light to see through the fog.
Oh no! We have to help them.
Your mission is to get the lighthouse working again so the tugboats can find their way. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, McKenna Chugboat Island.
I wonder where the tugboats are.
There, out on the ocean.
I see them! Hey, tugboats! Over here! I don't think they can see us.
Just like Island Owl said. They're lost in the fog.
We just have to fix the lighthouse. But where is it?
There it is, the lighthouse.
But the light looks like it's working to me.
True, the light is working, but it's pointing in the wrong direction. It's pointing away from the tugboats. That won't help.
What do you think is wrong?
Usually the light in the lighthouse turns around in a circle. This light isn't turning. It must be stuck.
And with the light pointed in the wrong direction, there's nothing to guide the tugboats through the fog.
Well then, team, we know what we have to do. Get that light turning again.
The lighthouse is on that little island. How can we get over there?
Why don't we swim across?
Swim? Isn't it kind of deep?
Don't worry, Mouse. We'll find another way.
Maybe we can ride on a tugboat. Hey, tugboats! Over here! Can you give us a ride, please?
But the tugboats can't find us in the fog, remember?
Oh, right.
Well, if there was some sort of a bridge, we could all walk across.
I don't see anything we could use to build a bridge.
I know! What about an ice bridge?
But how would we make a bridge of ice? That sounds impossible.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. Unicorn! McKenna fly!
Woohoo! Look at Unicorn go!
Yeah!
One ice bridge coming up.
She's making ice with her horn. Awesome!
I did it!
Yeah!
Fascinating! A bridge made of ice! Whoa, it's solid enough to cross now, but we need to hurry before it melts.
Then there's no time to lose.
Oh,
Hey, Mouse, come on!
what if I fall in the water? It's deep.
You won't fall in, Mouse. I'll be here for you.
You promise?
I promise.
Hurry up, you two! The ice is starting to melt! Hurry! Hurry!
We made it! Thanks, pal. You gave us a soft landing.
No problem.
Come on, let's go check out the lighthouse.
Hurry up, Komodo. This is no time to rest.
Here we are, team. The lighthouse.
Wow, look at the bright lamp.
We need to figure out how to get it to turn around.
Fascinating. It appears this crank handle is connected to this large cog. But why?
Maybe if we turn the crank, the light will turn too.
Excellent suggestion.
Nothing. Nothing's happening.
Perhaps this one cog should be connected to something else.
I wonder what those pegs are for.
And why are they each a different shape?
Hey, you guys! What about these cogs? Maybe they fit on the pegs.
It is quite possible. We just have to figure out which cog fits which peg.
But they all look the same to me.
Look! The holes in the cogs are different shapes, just like the pegs.
Circle, square, and that pointy shape.
That's a triangle.
Right, I knew that.
All we need to do is match the shape inside the cog to the shape of the peg.
This first peg is square-shaped.
Then which cog should we use?
I know! Try the square one.
It fits! What's the next peg look like?
It's a triangle shape.
So that means we should use the one with the triangle.
Got it! Perfect fit! I guess that means the last cog goes on the last peg.
The circle cog must fit with the circle peg. But where is one?
Up there! But that circle peg is pretty far away.
I wonder, who do we know who can reach up that high?
That's a good question. Who do we know? Wait a minute! I know! I can reach it! Behold, the mighty Sasquatch! MARATONA stretchy!
Stretchy like a super-duper spring.
Yay! You did it!
Now let's turn this crank. It's not moving.
We need someone really strong.
Being strong is what I do best. Rex! McKenna strong!
I love watching Rex do strong stuff.
Look! The light is turning!
It's working. Keep turning the crank, Rex. The tugboats can see the light. They aren't lost anymore.
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Wow! Just look at them. McKenna, can we ask them for a tugboat ride?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Cobra Coaster Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today. Your destination is Cobra Coaster Island.
I love Cobra coasters! The way you go up, up, up!
And then down, down, down! Whee! McKenna fun!
More like McKenna no fun to me.
Oh, you'll see, Komodo. Cobra coasters are a blast!
But there's a problem. For some mysterious reason, the super exciting Cobra coaster is not working.
That's awful.
Yeah. Why isn't it working?
Unknown. Your mission is to find out why and get the Cobra coaster working again. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are! Cobra Coaster Island!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Cobra coaster! Fun, fun, fun!
I fail to understand what is so much fun about a Cobra coaster.
Komodo, don't you ever have fun?
Oh no, I fail to understand the need to have fun.
Komodo doesn't know what he's missing.
Let's try to see why this coaster isn't working.
It looks okay to me. Whoa!
What was that? A McKenna banana. Curious. Whoa! Oh.
On the Cobra coaster.
It's a McKenna monkey!
Aw, he's kind of cute.
He may be cute, but I think he's the reason the Cobra coaster isn't working.
Right! The Cobra cars won't work until that mischievous monkey stops tossing McKenna bananas at it.
We need to catch him and get him off the tracks.
Oh no, he's climbing higher.
He's too high for me to reach.
Me too.
Who can reach way up there and grab the monkey?
Wait a minute! I just had an idea! I can reach anything! Behold! The mighty Sasquatch! McKenna Stretchy!
Sasquatch is super stretchy.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey who's trying to grab a fast and little monkey. That's funny.
Come to Sasquatch, monkey!
Catch him, Sasquatch!
He's getting away.
Got to stretch some more! I can do this!
Oh no! The monkey's way at the top of the coaster now.
Even the mighty Sasquatch can't stretch that high!
There's no way to reach him.
Animal mechanicals can do anything! Unicorn! McKenna fly!
Unicorn is the coolest.
He's a fast little guy.
I have some tricks of my own, Mr. Monkey.
Go, Unicorn!
Hey! Where'd he go?
I see him! He's hiding!
We will never get him now.
Never say never. If someone was small enough and speedy enough, they might be able to catch him.
Small? Speedy? That's my job. Now! McKenna fast!
way, Mouse.
Over here!
What? Gotta go faster!
Go, Mouse, go!
I'm Mechanic Cat! Phew, I'm out of breath.
By my calculations, it is impossible to catch that monkey.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals.
Because when the going gets tough,
We team up.
time for a Mechana-Monkey trap! Mouse, keep chasing him. I'll make sure he stays down here. Sasquatch, you get ready!
Sasquatch, readier than ready.
Okay, here I go!
Make him come down a little lower, Unicorn.
Woo!
Wait. Wait. Now, Sasquatch!
Yay!
Look! The coaster is working again!
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished!
Yay!
We should take this monkey back to the jungle where he will not get into any more trouble.
Come on, little guy. Time to go home. Whoa!
Aw, he wants to have more fun on the Cobra coaster.
But it is dangerous for a monkey to be on a Cobra coaster.
Not if he's riding the coaster with us!
Yay!
Hooray!
Oh no,
Come on, Komodo. It'll be fun!
I don't have fun, remember?
Wow!
Hey! Let go of me, monkey! Ooh, shoo!
I think he wants to ride with you, Komodo.
Oh, very well then. One ride, and that's it.
Yippee!
We're going!
Woohoo! Fun, fun, fun!
Well, Komodo, did you like it?
No, I didn't like it. I loved it! That was fun! Mechanic, can we go again and again?
Animal Mechanical Can!
Yay!
Puffer Cloud Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Yay!
Your destination is Puffer Cloud Island, home of the amazing Puffer Cloud machine.
Cool! I've always wanted to see how puffer clouds get made.
That's the problem. The Puffer Cloud machine isn't feeling well, and the puffy pink clouds that usually float in the sky are all sitting on the ground instead.
Not good.
Your mission is to help the Puffer Cloud machine feel better and get those clouds back into the sky again. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical Can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Yeah! Puffer Cloud Island.
And there's the puffer cloud machine.
Poor thing! It does sound sick.
I thought clouds were supposed to float up, not down.
When the puffer cloud machine feels good, that is precisely where the clouds go. Up in the sky.
The mighty Sasquatch will make them go up.
Sasquatch, no! You can't just toss a cloud back into the sky.
Uh-oh.
Wow!
You know what? You can't just toss a cloud back into the sky.
I knew that.
Don't worry, Clouds. We'll find a way to help you float in the sky again.
Look! That little blue cloud is all by itself. Hey, little cloud, how come you're all alone? It says it feels different from the other clouds. They're all pink, but he's blue.
Being blue's not a bad thing. Come and meet our friends. See? This is Sasquatch, and he's blue just like you.
I am? All right, I am.
And I'm pink.
And I'm yellow.
As you can see, I am red. Glorious bright red. I think it's the color of genius.
And look at me. I'm green. We're all different colors.
And it's okay to be different. In fact, it's fun to be different.
Feel better, little Puffer Cloud? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Now, let's get that Puffer Cloud machine working again.
Let's see now. To make clouds, the machine sucks air in through this tube. But something is not quite right. Okay now, machine. Take a nice deep breath in. Just as I suspected. Something is definitely clogging up this tube.
Then we need to unclog it somehow. Let's remove the tube and have a look inside to see what's blocking it.
We need some kind of big wrench to take the tube off.
Who would carry around a wrench? Nobody. That's who. All right. You would carry a wrench.
Komodo! Makana Gizmo! Whoa! Hi-ya! Nope. Oh, my flower! Here we go. One mighty Makana wrench to the rescue!
Tool time is cool time.
One more turn and...
Komodo did it! Now we can find out what's stuck inside. My arms aren't long enough to reach very far.
Neither are mine. How are we going to reach far enough to find the problem?
We need someone who has arms that stretch.
Someone who has arms that stretch? That would be hard to find. Oh, wait a minute. I have arms that stretch. Stand aside and behold the mighty Sasquatch! Makana Stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Hey! There is something stuck inside!
Do you think you can push it out the other side, Sasquatch?
Animal mechanicals can do anything! There's plenty of stretch left in these arms!
Sasquatch, be careful.
Oh, sorry, Komodo.
That's all right.
Sasquatch, you did it!
Yay!
It appears a rock block was sucked into the tube by accident. No wonder the Puffer Cloud machine wasn't feeling very well.
Okay, team, let's put the machine back together and see if it works.
All right, Puffer Cloud Machine. You're as good as new.
That sounds better.
It's working! The clouds are floating!
Not all the clouds are floating. What can we do to help these other clouds that are still on the ground?
We can't just throw them into the sky. Right, Sasquatch?
Right. I knew that.
Is there another way to help get the clouds back into the sky?
Nope. It's impossible.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. Unicorn! Mechana fly! Okay, Clouds. I'm going to help get you into the sky, but then it's up to you to float on your own. Can you do it?
Awesome! Unicorn is using her magic horn to make wind to blow the clouds up into the sky.
Way to go, Clouds! Now you're floating on your own!
The little blue cloud still doesn't want to go. It feels too different from the other clouds.
Don't worry, little blue cloud. Being different is what makes you special.
Yes, we're all different. We each have different powers.
That's right.
Yeah.
What's your special power, Blue Cloud? Bloop, bloop. You don't know? That's okay. I'm sure you'll discover it soon.
So, are you ready to fly?
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Bye-bye, little blue cloud. And remember, being different is being special.
Well, the Puffer Cloud Machine is working again, and all the clouds are in the sky. Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Yay!
Wait!
Look! The little blue cloud is a rain cloud. That's what makes it different and special. Yay, Blue Cloud! Bloop, bloop.
The rain made these pretty flowers grow. Thanks, Blue Cloud.
Bloop, bloop.
Look! More blue clouds!
And that means more rain!
McKenna, can we stay and play in the rain?
We